A very good morning to all of you. Today we are dealing with the spoilage of vegetables. So when we are dealing with vegetables they are a very important part of our diet because they are providing a different type of minerals, different type of nutrients in our body. So the main type of nutrients which are provided by the vegetables, they are carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins and roughage. So these are the components in the vegetables which are important for our diet. So vegetables, they are very prone to spoilage because they are consisting of very high moisture content. So due to this availability of moisture, they are a very good source of growth, you can say, for the growth of the microorganism. So all the nutrients, all the carbohydrate, different type of minerals and different type of vitamins which are present in the vegetables, they help in the growth of a microorganisms. So now comes on the what are the different factors which are responsible for the spoilage of vegetable. So the different factors, or you can say different sources by which a vegetable gets spoiled, these are soil. First of all, the soil where the vegetable is being growing. So there are different type of microorganisms which are present in the soil. So they are responsible, they are the first factor which are responsible for the spoilage of vegetable. In the same manner, the second one is the water. The water which is rich in different type of minerals, which are rich in different type of nutrients. So this water, if it is contaminated with the different type of microorganism which can cause different type of disease in a human body, so they are also responsible for the spoilage of vegetable. In the same time, when we are dealing with these things, second thing is disease plant. If a plant, it is being infected by a microorganism, it is infected by a fungus, it is infected by any different type of weed, you can say. So the disease plant, they are also responsible for the spoilage of the fruit which is going to be present on the that particular plant. In the same manner, the harvesting and the processing equipment. Harvesting means at the type of ripening of the vegetable. So at the time of harvesting, and the processing equipment means the different type of equipment which are being used for the harvesting of the vegetable. They are also play an important role in the spoilage of vegetable. In the same manner, the handlers. If the handlers, they are not handling that particular fruit or vegetable which are rich in which are having a high moisture level, so they will be spoiled very easily. So the handler, they should take proper care of the fruits or the vegetables which are being harvested by them, and the different type of equipments which are being used for their harvesting, they should be properly harvested and then they should be packaged. So the second thing is packaging and the packaging material. So the packaging of the vegetable, it should be proper, otherwise they all if we will make a stack of these all the things, then they will be spoiled very easily. And the second thing is that contact with the spoiled vegetable. If one particular fruit or one particular vegetable, it is being spoiled, and the rest of the vegetable which are coming in contact with that spoiled vegetable, so rest of the vegetable, they will get spoiled out. Now comes the organism which are responsible for the spoilage. So the different categories which are responsible for the spoilage of vegetables are yeast, mold and bacteria. All these microorganisms, they are responsible for the spoilage because they can grow at a different range of pH, and the most important thing is the availability of water. Due to the availability of water or the water activity, the amount of organism which can grow in this particular vegetable or a fruit, you can say, they can be spoiled very easily. So now we come on the factors which are enhancing the growth of microorganism. Means what are the different factors which play an important role in the growth of a microorganism. So the different factors which help or which enhance the growth of the microorganism is the pH. So the vegetables, they are have a wide range of pH, so different type of microorganism can grow in them. In the same manner, water availability is maximum in the vegetables, that is why they also get spoiled. And the same manner, the temperature at which we are preserving our vegetable, at that time this particular temperature is also playing a very important role in spoiling of the vegetables. And then comes the nutrient content. If the vegetables, they are rich in different nutrients which are used by a microorganism, so these microorganisms, they will grow in this particular vegetable and cause their spoilage. Now comes what are the different factors, or you can get what is the process by which a vegetable gets spoiled. So first of all, when a vegetable is being spoiled by a microorganism, it may be a mold, it may be a bacteria and it may be a yeast. So these different type of microorganism, first of all they will break down the pectin. They are the main components in the vegetable. So first of all, any microorganism which is going to break down this particular pectin, so the second step is that after breakdown of the pectin, they will give rise to a soft mushy consistency to the vegetable. They will give a mushy consistency, and then it will give rise to a bad odor. After this particular bad odor, the spoiled vegetable, it will show a water soaked appearance.